Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we have a 2019 Tesla Model X that we just finished customizing extensively on the outside and the inside. Let's get right into it. As you can see, this car has obviously been wrapped, and we used 3M Satin Pearl White. This is a really pretty color. It's been on the market for some time now, always been a favorite of mine, and it's refreshing to go ahead and do a Model X in it because we've never done that before. So as you can see, this car actually started off as a black Model X, and my team did a really good job wrapping all the exterior panels in the 3M vinyl film. We took it one step even further. If you take a look up underneath the front bumper, the wheel arches, the side skirts, the rear diffuser, they are all wrapped as well. But in order to properly execute that, we had to paint those pieces first, give them a smooth texture just like paint, which we did. We painted them black, and then we wrapped them all using the 3M film. Now this vehicle looks extra special. There's no black plastic from the top to the bottom. It's been wrapped in the 3M film, and I think it's a really good look. Now, the customer did not want to chrome delete any of the trims on the car. He actually wanted to keep the chrome look. And you know, typically we would make all that black, but I have to agree, this actually looks really great. It matches the vinyl film very nicely and then ties in perfectly with our 20-inch MX117 wheels. T-Sportline, as you know, prides itself on all of our wheels, especially our one-piece forged wheels that we machine at our facilities here in California. So these are the MX117s, and they've been finished in brushed clear. So if you really take a look at it, it's not chrome. It's a brushed look, very much like a stainless steel. It's got a nice clear coat on it, ties in perfectly with the chrome, but it's not as flashy as the chrome. So I think that's a great look. It shows off the red brake calipers, and this is unlike any Model X exterior we've ever done, probably one that you've ever seen. Now, let's go into the inside of the car because this is something we have never done before. I'm really excited to share it with you. Let's check it out. Who doesn't love cinnamon and chocolate? Well, that was actually the inspiration for the interior of this car because this beautiful tan leather that you see used throughout the interior is actually called cinnamon. And we reupholstered everything from the lower dash, center console, armrest, the full doors, front and rear seats, of course, using this beautiful cinnamon color with chocolate inserts. As you can see, the diamond quilted inserts on the four doors are actually a chocolate leather, and that ties in beautifully with all this gloss Burl wood trim. The dash decor, the center console, the sliding door, the flip door, the cup holders, and all the door trims finished in Burl wood with a gloss trim to it. And then, of course, the steering wheel, the selfish accessory. It's all about the driver. Not only does it look great, but it feels great. Gloss Burl wood trim, top and bottom, cinnamon upholstered leather sides, and we even dyed the airbag cover to match the cinnamon look, because you know this is normally black. So this car has a really special interior. We even took it one step further. When you take a look in the back seat, there's actually a custom-made armrest with a storage cavity for the rear passengers, and also has, you know, the cinnamon leather upholster to it, and it's easily removable. So that was a really nice touch, specific request from the client. I think it came out absolutely great. Typically, when we do an interior, it's a great opportunity for one of our customers to go ahead and consider our Audiophile sound system upgrade. This means replacing all the speakers in the car using a much higher quality brand, for example, like Focal, to also go ahead and increase the amplification, to go ahead and make sure that these new speakers sound better. And for that, we use the Moscone amplifiers. They're fabulous, as well as their DSP processor, which allows us to equalize each of the speakers independently. It allows us to go ahead and tune them and make sure they sound absolutely great. And they work perfectly with our custom subwoofer enclosure, which is also in the rear area. That's a 10-inch subwoofer, which is much better than the 8-inch that actually comes with the car. So this car has a beautiful upgraded sound system. It sounds incredible, and this job is done. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please leave some comments below. I'd like to hear what your thoughts are about this cinnamon leather, and also the wheels on the outside. They're 20-inch. Should they have been 22-inch? I think so. But like we say at T-Sportline, whatever the customer wants, they get.